Hi guys, this is Abhimanyu from Crack It, and today we are going to see the Indian wildlife part 2. We will start from the lion-tailed macaque. Scientific name Macaca silensis. Population 3000. According to 2019 census. Conservation status endangered. Food, fruit, insects, egg, as well as small animals. These animals that they exist in that Western Ghats, and Madhya Pradesh has more tiger population rather than Karnataka. Karnataka since again with two tigers difference in Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. And this is the map of this region, South India, which is Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. This is Nilgiri Langur, that line-tailed macaque at Anamalai Tiger Reserve, which is also known as Indira Gandhi National Park. Black buck, scientific name Antelope cervicapra, population 18,000, according to 2020 census. Conservation status vulnerable, food green leaves, sugarcane. Black that we can identify between male and female by seeing the colors. That black and large, that long horns are males, and these light browns are female. And this is the distribution of blackback. In 2001, the famous Bollywood actor Salman Khan was arrested for hunting a blackback. Gharial. Gavilis, scientific name Gavilis gangetes. Population 211 according to 2020 state the census. Conservation status critically endangered. That food is fish, insect, and crustaceans and frogs. And they have a long mouth and uh, stone like or a garlic like structure on the tip of the mouth, and the mouth is not very broad, it is very thin. And the recent range of gharial, it is according to 2010 census. And this is the recent range, which is this is a Ganga river, Chambal river, which is a tributary, Gagra river tributary of Ganges. And these are the recent range, and these are the historical range. These also existed in the Pakistan region. Indian great hornbill, scientific name Busiro bicornis. Population 13,000 to 27,000 according to 2019 census. Conservation status endangered. Food small animals, reptiles, and birds. And then this is a rare that Malabar grey hornbill. And during the nesting season, the female hornbill will enter or hide inside tree hole, and the male hornbill will paste mud like a cement outside it, and there will be a small opening for giving food for the female. Only the male will go in search of food. After the chicks are um, cracked out cracked out and after the chicks are hatched, the female hornbill also comes out. And this is the uh, great Indian hornbill. This is the region Western Ghats, and it is also in Myanmar region, northeastern region. Great Indian bustard is also known as Arditos nigriceps. Population 50 to 150. According to 2019 census, conservation status critically endangered. Food arthropods. Arthropods are like insects, spiders, and worms, small animals, and small reptiles. In 1947, it was selected as taken to be as a national bird, but because of its name as a Indian bustard, Great Indian bustard, the name was not good, so that the forefathers had not selected this and selected the peacock. And the fragmentation lead to the depletion or extent of a species. You can see there is not a constant area where or a state where there is Great Indian Bustard population is there fully, and these are the fragmented area. Historic range may be from this to this, and Central India and Deccan. Indian vulture, scientific name Gipis indicus, population 1000 to 1500 according to 2018 census. Conservation status critically endangered. Food, dead animals. And this is the Indian white trumped vulture. This is near Andhra Pradesh in 1980s, 19 or 18th century, I don't know. But it's a photo which shows the vulture. It is a fish waste factory. The vulture are very they are scavengers so that they eat the dead animals. And this the fragmentation causes a decrease in population. And you can see the picture of a dead vulture and two vulture mourning for that. The most of the vultures are died of kidney failure caused by dicto dicto no Dicolofena poisoning. Indian cobra, also known as the Indian cobra, scientific name Ophiophagus hanaha, population 10,000 to 15,000 according to 2016 census. Conservation status endangered. Food, other snakes and lizards, small vertebrates and birds. These are the ranges. And in Agumbe in India is a very popular area of king cobra where you can find more king cobra in the Agumbe forest. Ganges river dolphin. Ganges river dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. Scientific name uh, Platanstic gangetica. Population 3000 according to 2019 census. Conservation status endangered. Food, shrimp, fish, carp, catfish, birds and turtle. And this is a Ganges river dolphin in captive. This is the Ganges river and its population. And and um, now the Ganges river dolphin population is decreasing, so that the government of India issued a captive breeding, and that is going well and to be appreciated. Beautiful wildlife world. This picture of that Machli, the famous tiger, and this picture recently shot with the Bagheera. Is that you? The famous picture of that Black Panther, and this the hornbill leopard, uh, national bird, peacock, dwarf kingfisher, which with an insect in its mouth, and this is the lion cubs and lion, two lions, and these are a herd of elephants. And next topic is threats to wildlife. Plastic is a major threat. Poaching, illegal trading, nets, snaring, road accidents, signal tower, forest fire, rail accident, and hunting. Threats to wildlife. And this is the elephants which heads are cut up for the ivory, which are very welcomed in the black market. And the horns of rhino and the claws and teeth are also very welcomed in the black market, and the skins and are all are welcomed by the black market. And these are the turtles, and this leopard snared, and this is small sloth bear cub, and these are the tiger skins. A record from a person in Delhi. And this is the elephant in Kerala, which the people local people give pineapple with a bomb inside, and so that the trunk got burst and it went into the nearby pond. After 5 minutes or 10 minutes in pond, it died. It's a pregnant elephant, and so many people's personalities and celebrity mourned for that elephant. Threats to wildlife. Plastic and this painted stock. Okay, I can see you guys, and yes, okay, thank you.